everybody, it's Rob from Wizard Computer Solutions. I've got a rather simple, small little repair that we're going to be showing you today. I've currently set up my cell phone to try and give you a little bit of an overhead view. We're going to see how this goes. This is the first time I've set this up. So anyway, what we have here is a Macbook Pro 2009. And we just need to replace the battery. So we have the replacement battery here. Everything that we're going to need over here to go ahead and replace that. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is get our cloth. And we're just going to stick that right above there. Just to protect the top of the laptop while we... Take that bottom cover off and we'll just put it aside. Just going to rotate the whole thing so we can see a little bit better. And I'm going to grab my plastic tool out of here just to disconnect that battery. Alrighty, perfecto. Now I'm going to need my glasses so that I can see what we got in here. Looks like we've got some interesting tri-wing screws. Get my tri-wing head here. So there's the one screw for the right side. And the screw for the left side. That's all there is. The old battery comes out just like that. So we'll move that to the side. I'll grab our new battery here. Let's take a little bit of a look here. We'll go ahead and slide that in just like that. And we'll take our screw, goes on the left side. Screw that in. There's a screw that goes on the right side. And screw that in. While we're in here, we'll take a little bit of a look at the fan. I'm just going to lift that out really quickly just to check to see if there's any dust trapped in there. Since we got the whole thing apart anyway, we may as well. So we've kept the battery unplugged for this. It's just going to be a few screws to grab that fan out. In there. That's actually quite nice and clear. So this is not going to need cleaning at all. It's in really good shape. So we'll go ahead and put these screws back in. Notice this one's a little bit shorter. I always keep the screws in the order that they are removed, like in a little pattern. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and plug in the battery right like that. And take the bottom panel, just going to lay it on like that. Turn her upside down, and hopefully the battery's got a little bit of a charge in it. We'll be able to See, and it seems to be turning on just fine. So we'll go ahead and let that boot, and then we'll shut it down. Yeah, let's boot it up. We'll just shut it down properly. And we'll go ahead and get all the bottom screws back in. So when I put these back in, I always start with the longer screws. I remember that the longer screws go in the center at the back. And then I'm pretty sure it goes in this hole here, so I'm just going to put it in carefully. And it's sliding down. So that wouldn't happen if it took one of the shorter screws. Go. Go ahead and move that out of the way. Cover that on. And waiting for that, we'll get our tools away. I'm just going to wait for this guy to boot and see what it says about the battery now. Okay, so we'll go ahead and log in. There we go, 3 hours, 19 minutes remaining. It's definitely not showing us a warning or time to service battery anymore. So this battery will serve this customer for a while now. So I hope you found that informative. If you'd like to subscribe, then we'd really appreciate it. We have a Patreon link down as well in the description, and we of course always appreciate any support that you can provide us.